Hello guys. Welcome back with another interesting video. Do you know YouTube is a most famous social media platform after Facebook? It is visited by 122 million people daily. If you don't know how to download YouTube videos, you are watching the right video. I kindly request you watch the complete video, so it will be easy for you to understand the method. I am AJ and you are watching Fix Windows now. So fasten up your seatbelts and let's zoom in. Now, we are present on our laptop screen. Note that this method will work on all windows. For this, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the dots and open YouTube. Now you need to install the YouTube. For this, click the three dots in top right corner. Click on the Install button, and YouTube will be installed. Now search the video which you want to download. I am opening this video. To download this video, click on three dots. You will see the download button. You can apply this method on my video for testing. Let me tell you, download button is not available for all videos. If you didn't find the download button, contact me on Gmail. The downloading will start on auto, as you can see. Don't close the video, the downloading will stop automatically. To see the downloaded video, click on three lines in top left corner. Here you can watch your downloads. If you disconnect the internet, these videos will still remain. And you can watch them offline. As you can see me, I am watching the downloaded videos. Please press the like button, let's aim for 1000 likes. Now again connect to the internet. You can see the download settings option in top right corner. Let's change the settings. Here you can change the download quality. I am changing it to high quality for future downloads. However, downloading at high quality will take some time. You can change them according to yourself. So this is end of the video. I hope you will find it helpful. Guys, we have lot more things for you, so subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon, so you will first to watch our video. I wish to have 20k subscribers before the new year arrives. So help me to reach this target, I will be so pleased. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.